There's a story often told in many traditions about the battle that lives within us. Inside every heart, two wolves are fighting. One is made of fear, envy, anger, resentment, and deception. The other is made of compassion, love, generosity, truth, and peace. They pull us in different directions, and in moments of silence, we can feel both. The wolf that wins is determined by the wolf we nourish, with our attention, our choices, and our care. And when we try to fight or suppress the angry wolf, we only feed it more. But if we sit with it without trying to solve it, then it has no control over us. When we feed the wolf that brings us peace, we can move through our lives with more clarity, strength, and love.